So hi guys, we're making a take 2 of the Tantan Men and the shoyu from Mendokoro, and this is how the takeout kit looks like. Looks like it's a little bit different with their delivery kit when they started the deliveries when the pandemic started. So I ordered the Tantan Men and the shoyu. The Tantan Men is 450 and shoyu is 430. So let me show you what's inside the paper bag. So there's the kit. It's frozen. Okay. So what I did is when I got home, I put it back in the freezer. Okay. And inside is your own. Okay. So it has your chopsticks, tissue, and there's paper. This is actually what they serve you when you eat. This is actually on your table, right? Okay, so it goes the same with the shoyu. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. So we're gonna move that back a little so that we can put this here. Okay. So we're gonna open up, see exactly what's inside. Look at that, Mendokoro take-home ramen kit. It's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna open up the shoyu first. This is for my wifey. Okay, looks like they have a very complicated nut. Okay, don't want to cut the rope. Yeah, so it's not that hard to untie. Okay, so see, it's even caught there by the sticker. Shoyu. Okay. And looks like there's a paper sleeve. Nice, Mendokoro. Remember the time that you guys wouldn't allow takeouts or deliveries, but nice pivot allowing deliveries and takeout during the pandemic. And that's inside. Okay. This is how to cook it. Ramen cooking instructions. Empty soup from packet and add 3/4 cup of water. Okay, we'll read that later one by one. There's the description. Shoyu, flavorful and brimming with umami, yet light as on the palate. Shoyu is a soy sauce based and thus has a bolder flavor. Package contents: instruction booklet, yes. Shoyu broth, check. Okay, and there's another. Oh, see. There's another level, okay? Ramen noodles, check, okay? Roasted chashu, check. And this one, spring onions, sesame seeds. Oh, there's no spring onions and sesame seeds. Maybe it's already in this one. Or this one, okay? So we'll see later. So that's the contents for the ramen kit for the shoyu. Actually, you don't need to untie the rope. You just need to slide it out, okay? And this is what we get for the Tantan Men. Again, the instructions, okay? We'll put that on the side. Inside the Tantan Men needs to be the Tantan Men broth. Ta-da! Okay, we'll put this back first inside so it doesn't mix up. Okay, and then it says noodles, ramen noodles. Ta-da! Okay, chili oil. And the toppings, the spicy ground pork and flavored Taiwan pet chai. Ta-da! Okay. So please consume immediately or refrigerate. Do not freeze. Oh my God! I froze it. I don't have a ref. I just have a freezer. So that's there. And then we're gonna cook and we're gonna show you how it looks. Okay. It says here, empty the soup from the packet and add 3/4 cup of water. Bring to a rolling boil. Boil water separately and cook the noodles for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Set aside. Put the toppings packet and oil packet in hot water for 30 seconds. Transfer soup and noodles into a heated bowl. Drizzle oil before adding the toppings. consume immediately. Okay. And here's a look at the finished shoyu ramen. Looks good. By the way, if the instruction says 3/4 cup, okay, don't use a mug. Use a measuring cup. I guess that's a mistake I made when I cooked the delivery before. I use an actual cup and 3/4 of that one. So use a measuring cup, and now we're gonna mix it. Okay. And voila! Happy eating, guys! Bye! We'll do the tantan men later.